Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Okay, we're going to do this question of the week. How come lawnmowers don't say the horsepower anymore? It's no longer written on top of the mower. What do you got?
I think that's a really good question. A lot of people are really curious about this. Now, we're talking about walk-behind lawnmowers here. I don't think it applies to riding lawnmowers with the bigger horsepower. I'll give you a little example here. When I worked at a small engine shop a while ago, there were two lawnmowers sitting side by side. The first one was an MTD walk-behind lawnmower. And right on the top of the engine, it said 5.0 horsepower. And there was right beside it was a Sears Craftsman walk-behind lawnmower with the exact identical engine on it. And it said 6.5 horsepower on the top of the engine. These are identical engines. That's a big difference. 5 horsepower to 6.5 horsepower.
Wow.
So obviously I wasn't the only one to notice this, because there was a class action lawsuit in the United States of America. It was in either Indiana or Illinois, one of those states that starts with an I. I can't remember which one it was. Anyway, that doesn't matter anyways. Class action lawsuit. I don't think there was even any money involved in it, to be honest with you. They just wanted to stop the cheaters. It was pretty much false advertising. I think as part of that lawsuit was something like manipulating the market, that kind of stuff in there. They wanted that stopped. Too many cheaters out there. So I believe it was the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, that stepped in and said, okay, we can solve this issue right now. Nobody is allowed to put horsepower ratings on their walk-behind lawnmower engines anymore. They have to put only specs on their engines now that are actually truly measurable, which is, the first one is displacement, which is how many cc's your engine is. You can measure that easily. You can't cheat on that. And the other one was the torque. How much torque does that engine put out? Easily measurable, can't cheat on that. So anyway, to answer the question, that is why you don't see horsepower ratings on top of a lawnmower, on a walk-behind lawnmower engine anymore. They shut her down because there was too many damn cheaters out there. Let's keep it even right across the field.
Excellent. So next week, stay tuned for another question of the week. And if you missed the last one, what was that on? Oh yes, the spring in a carburetor.
Oh, that cone-shaped spring thing.
Yeah, that's right. Anyways, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to go back and see the other ones, you can check out our Saloon Mail playlist anytime. And that's it for me.
Right on. April and Steve out.
See you next week.
Background's clear. She's recording.
Are you sure you're recording? Did
Yes,
you test the microphone?
it is. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
And we're back for something. I can't remember. Are you ready?
Oh.
What? Sorry.
It's gonna be a long one, isn't it?
Question. What? Are you getting mad at me?
I even forgot what I was gonna say now.
Okay, ready?